Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove beta versions from iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to remove beta versions from your iPhone, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just tap on general, then tap on software update, and here you will find all of your pending software updates. So you will see your pending beta software update if you have. So if you want to turn it off or if you want to get the official iOS. So let's see how we can do that. You just have to tap on the beta updates here, then tap them off. So it will wait or it will take some moments. Sometimes it might take 5 to 10 seconds to load. Once you've had done, just go back and tap on automatic updates. And here just enable this toggle to get public updates. Here, once you have done, you will see the latest updates you have and you will see your iOS version here. So in this way, you can easily remove your beta versions from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.